Guys, today we got Lexis. Lexis is nervous.
Nervous.
Lexis,
Good nervous.
Good nervous though. How do you feel so far?
I feel good.
Feel good? Mm-hmm. So what brings you in?
I have a lot of like lower back and neck pain. Mm-hmm. I got a little bit of like arthritis in my wrist.
In your wrist?
Yeah. So
how'd that happen?
just self-cracking.
Self-cracking?
Yeah. Don't recommend. Definitely don't recommend that.
That's your job, man. Let your head drop to my hand. Just relax. I got you.
Oh. I was relaxed.
You turning red fast. Too much?
No, it's not you. It's the actual muscle.
How we doing? Good. Just relax. Just relax. I got you.
That was good.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
Guys, today we got Lexis. Lexis is nervous.
Nervous.
Lexis,
Good nervous.
Good nervous though. How do you feel so far?
I feel good.
Feel good? Mm-hmm. So what brings you in?
I have a lot of like lower back and neck pain.
Mm-hmm.
I got a little bit of like arthritis in my wrist.
In your wrist?
Yeah. So
how'd that happen?
just self-cracking. Self-cracking? Yeah. Don't recommend. Definitely don't recommend that.
That's your job, man.
I know that is my job.
Anything else?
No. It's just my back and my neck and my hands.
Back, hands, wrists, neck, you said it too?
Yes, neck.
How'd you get that neck injury?
Self-cracking.
Self-cracking.
Yeah. I woke up one day, I slept on it wrong, and I decided to crack it anyways, and it hasn't been the same since.
My dad calls this spinal masturbation.
I love that. That makes me excited. Let's go.
All right, cool. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna give an adjustment. We did some other stuff prior to. We're gonna stretch out the neck a little bit and see if we could, typically when people have that sort of whiplash thing, it's probably a really tight trap. Anyone feels more tender on this one?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Let your head drop into my hand. A little bit more. Just relax. Just relax, I got you.
Oh. I was relaxed.
I think her eyelashes were fluttering. I was like, she just said a prayer.
I was. It's okay, we made it.
How you feel so far?
That felt good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I feel like I can actually move that side now.
Good. Good.
Here goes another one.
Don't worry, just relax. When you relax, it works. Let your head drop into my hand for me. Let it drop, let it drop. Just a little bit more. There we go.
We're good.
You're good.
A little hot, but we're good.
How's this? Still tender, right?
Yeah. My shoulders have always had that issue. Even when I go get massages, they can never get that.
I'm gonna do some grassing on this first. All right, so we're gonna hit this trap. You turning red fast. Too much?
No, it's not you. It's the actual muscle. It smells good.
That's menthol. Too much?
Never.
A lot of tattoos, man. So
Yeah, I do.
this is nothing to
Not
you.
a lot.
Almost as much as me.
You have tattoos?
No, I have not.
I know. Not one?
Not what?
Man, I got 25.
I don't do pain.
No?
No.
I did pain better when I was younger.
How's that feel?
It feels good. Kind of. I feel the knot though, for sure.
Still there? How we doing?
Doing good.
Good. All right. Take shoes off on me. All right, we're gonna get you. Any broken ankles, anything?
I broke one foot, yes.
Yeah, this one of them was looking a little. All right, that right.
Back in middle school.
Got you. Just relax on me. Just relax. Needed that. Good. Just relax. Just relax. I got you.
That was good.
Just relax. Just relax. Good.
Yes. Am I ready again?
So let me have you shrug, like push against my hand. There we go. Push, push, push. All right, relax. Push. All right, relax. One more time. All right, relax. Let me have you push against my hand. All right, relax. Push. Push, 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 push. All right, relax. One more time, push. All right, relax. Just relax for me, okay?
Okay.
Good. There we go. That was it. Right there?
No, it's just a little pressure on my implants.
Ah, gotcha.
Sorry.
Sorry about that. No, that's on me.
I mean, if they thought I didn't know.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, they get the 10 years in on them.
I didn't know they come with warranty. Learning new stuff, huh? Yeah. This thing, I ain't. Just relax on me.
Feel like a new person.
We got more, we got more. Just relax, just relax, just relax. There we go. That one's a little stubborn.
I think I flexed this way. I actually do that in the gym. Is that bad? I go to a machine sometimes and I feel my elbow lock up, so I just do that real quick.
That's not hard, bro, no.
Okay, cool.
Stand on up. How you feel?
Even.
Yeah?
I feel good.
Even.
Yeah.
All right, I feel no. Even. Balance. There we go. You're good to go.